Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
The State Coordination Coal Miners, Dealers and Transporters Association mentakasngi kalai pau tarik ubnai nai tung arja pesau kalapan pau ke jing Pyrshah halor ke jing bu kendon jong ke sarkar jela batang Kiba don Jaka shispa Hectare kinyo banti Dewïong hapo ke jela Meghalaya. Ka forum kala dawa na ke sarkar jela ban penkalai ki kendon lani ki standard operating procedure banti Dewïong kat kum ke juk menta ni ke scientific mining hapo Meghalaya. Habakran Shakilat Bathai Kubor udukhat ke Executive Committee ke Forum Uba Regional Shah ula pentip bagani ke jingbu kendon ke sarkar jela ke tak bha ya ki Trai Jaka Kiba dan pa Dewïong. Uba Shah ula ong banakaliang ke forum kala pha da ka chithi shu menteri rang ba ke jela ukon rat ki sangma ha ka artarik nai tung arja pesau dak bagentu ya ke sarkar jela ban weng no ya ketika kendon ba syati Dewïong Tang Kiba dan Jaka bahe shispa Hectare bat ha ka ju ke por ban kmi biang ya ke SOP. Uba Regional ula pentip ru baka forum kala dawa na sarkar jela ban thau da ka expert committee ban khmi biang yaki SOP na banta ban sedang ti Dewïong ka ban yat da ka juk ba banta na ka scientific mining ule thu bashan ka forum kan sapenong da ki program ban yala pat ba ha ki than khasi ba jantia ban pensngu thu halor ka jingbom ya hap ki kendon na ki SOP jong ka sarkar jela
naliang jonga nga kwa ban introduce na kertemu ba regional sila bat ngadeu wena da khot ba pura jonga forum, the State Coordination of Coal Miners and Dealers Transporter Associations, Kabayalang Kamadau Chairman ba Don Brom Jongi uba Soni Kriam. Ta hakani ko por ka ek batunlong ini ba banaya ka press conference kadaw concern kadai ba ngaliang ka forum nila raise up your issue kajingan day but scientific coal mining in the state of Meghalaya but kibun ki research kilat klinting wat namta ban wat ya klinti ban pentrai kamno ya ka scientific coal mining in the state of Meghalaya kumju ya gitu ki pajbaro ki badan Jaka ka bahako ka chispa hectares kumba lapas kait daga sarkar jela ba Jaka namta ban apply ya prospecting license lani mining list kamla banduna si inch ro ya ka spa hectares tegane kalate kalakum yo pajba ya barok kowe ka jela Meghalaya jungi kiba im kamai jakpo nagane ka kam kiba kwa ban wan mi chakmat ban apply ka prospecting license lani ka mining list tega naliang jonga lembaga jing Pyrshah jonga forum ngala persyang ban pha kajing tho so honorable chief minister Sri Conrad K Sangma honorable minister in charge of mining and geology department haka artarik benai benyo ajar besar kanega memorandum of bill banga pha so honorable chief minister kala man sim ngene participate hanengi ngi request ya government kabankom ngi request ban wenno ya ka shispa Hectare bat ban review ya ka SOP manwat kita ki lat klinti lembagi legal expert lembagi environmental expert banduna ya ka area ka shispa Hectare tiga baar ni dawan ka sarkar ba lara ka sarkar kamla ban penduna ya ka shispa Hectares tega sarkar kadai ban research lane ka sarkar kadai ban set yagi expert committee jingan dai ban le research Nagaland ha Assam kumno ki pentrai Dewïong lembaga artikel laispat ni poi nomor ba kana aga jalan Nagaland lembaga artikel laispat ni poi ki pentrai mining but kane ka mining ka ba ki pentrai apa ka jalan Nagaland Kiba Trai hapo Jaka kaba hectares within 2 hectares of land they are doing mining operation in the state of Nagaland and even in Assam in some parts like Dimasa and in Tinsukia in Margreta they even continue mining small scale mining they are practicing like similar to the state of Meghalaya only so this mining in the state of Nagaland and Assam they are prescribed as legally mining, but in our state Meghalaya coal is illegal since 10 years, since 2014 after the ban of the NGT. So ka sarkar jilla kamsim kia ka jingdai kane ka jingpha jong ka forum jingdai ban yakran jingane ka mat ka issue te langta ka daw ka nalyang jong ka forum ngala ya bendo bat ki members jemi ki executive member but baru president chairman barang ba uba soni kriam banya discuss ke issue te nakadaw baka sarkar ka klem simkhia yakane ka issue yakane ka mat kane ka jinga jong pajba ka forum kala sim ni karai daga berkat sanipa ngila sim ni karai bangin yat chakrang bat min pelong yaki jingalang pajba Southwest Kasi District Shatang Namstoin Jaka ki bedon Dewïong Jaka Hills pat na isin tiang ngila na sudah hanu nai ba ndep ngila dep pelong ka jingalang te ka forum ka step ka baga forum kan sim ban khot jingalang ki pajba ban pusai ki pajba bat ka step ka baar ngisneu don kame ban pan jingsan ki nomi khmat bodon brom jungi khamtam ki MP jong jela Meghalaya kuntup ya bro langut ki MP arngut ki dei ki job lembaga election but iwe de elected Raja Sabha MP tengila pha daga jingtho so honorable member of parliament Sri Salangi Sangma bodai MP jong Congress taliang jong forum but so honorable member of parliament Sri AG Sengkon bodai MP jong Shillong parliamentary constituency but bodai naga party BPP but ngila pha so honorable member of the Raja Sabha Sri W Kharluki bodai naga party NPP watla da ka sarkar ka kem simkhia ya kimat ki jura ki isu jong ki pajba ba penpau da ka forum hakmat jong ka sarkar jelaro andai ka forum kamdon kano ga jing ya ber jimut bat ka sarkar andai ni sneu don kame ban pha so ba W Kharluki ro nomor ba kadon kam ya kini ki MP jungi bakin boten ya kani kam se Delhi lani ha parliament ban tokit pa ceki Ministry of Coal India kenang bangin nang yo su ke jingtip ba ka ka lat ka lenti ka bangila ban Trai kam apa ke Jelam Meghalaya. Area for applying prospecting license or mining lease should not be less than 100 hectares. Kani ka 100 hectares ka laringi convert into acres kadai more than 240 acres plus kadai ka area ka pahe ba but keeping in mind that it is not possible to do coal mining in the state of Meghalaya with an area of more than 100 hectares. Tegatakan ko gajing besar jungi, bat ka baar, kadai gajing besar jungi ba yagi pajba ba ka forum kala simi ka sinjam ban yat lenti sakmat. Bat ngila challenge ya gane ka SOP ro hakaha honorable high court jong ka Jelam Meghalaya. Ta ka hi ka main purpose jong ka forum ban besar pajba kadai ba lembaga research jong ka forum apa ke jingalam chairman barang ba jongi usuni kriam pi ka ngadon ki ain ke bangila de research lembaga forum pi katkum ka ain juga sarkar pedeng ane ke sarkar India apa ke dia recognize pasan penio adon ane somewhere is ya apa ke dia recognize pasan penio chapter 4 section 22D ane ko ong ba minimum area for mining lease should be for an area not more than should be for an area not less than 4 hectares. Lani apa ka hectares ngila ban tegap ya kita ki ban apply prospecting license ngila ban Trai ka mining. The kumno beyond which law which provision the state government set and prescribing the minimum area of 100 hectares. Tegane way ba kalong baka sarkar ka kwa ban le jubor ya ka kamai ka ji jong pajba ka sarkar ka kwa ban kini jubor ya ka hok ka jong pajba daga ba ala tangnya ki kan ne ka to hiba don Jaka ba don la pa dia kan ne gam dei tang ka forum ba tegap ya kini ka isu la da pikmau ka how kan real tarik nombor arajar arkoar kita na salat na channel jong salat salat kami kawai ka press release bala ai da ki sandli ki seng da kawai lam kamad da ke HYC but kane bala thought sai ba do weu na nongelam seng balang barang ba zungi uba Robin Jude Karjarin uba nang sudah kele election MP ba contest election MP aga nagasilong parliamentary concert naga party UDP aga nang sama agar besar ya agane ula ong sai ba uru ong ba kane ka sispa actors kadai ba sarkar meklia ka panmi ya kane ka SB kadai tang ban favor yaki high level tangi katne ka tumut ki preo kane ka bri ka jing ong junga kadai ka jing jong president barang ba changa HYC bat ula prescribe angero bagamdan satya ka daga an bapila ban bo bagi sarkar kelak ban bo ya kata cakap ke bacis pak kas kamdan setia kata kaan kum kaan juga MMDR kat kendai sepak sempanyo kadai it should not be less than 4 hectares kadai tanda tai kamdan challenge sepak honorable high court juga jalan mekalian ya bacis pak hectares kai kada go long ini bangin challenge ni number bon ki pajba ki bakwa ban Dewïong ki bedan pa nganan usah pi ke besuk pa ngang nang banyak kali alai ngang amdan license ka an kamsa nga banyak kali ngang adan par Dewïong ndai ngamdan ka jaga bis factors ngamdan license ka an gadum sa nga ban Dewïong te ganing ni snow pia ya gane ba ngiro ngi pa ban Dewïong tang ta kata ni file la kai court ni kmi ya justice bang nyo justice baga court kan bisar ni baga court kan ai ya karai kebayo jumto yo pajba bagun balang baro dan bang yo justice ban dunan kan ke factor ban weng namar ka ai ka klem ong ba pihak bandun yang kejaga kapacis factors penyo ban Trai maning hapok ketar dan te sokowi ngala patay pi ka ai juga MMDR te larangi phai saga environmental and forest clearance law environmental forest clearance law then clearance also go through also problema every fresh grant of mining list in respect of major minerals abang yung major mineral that means even coal is also a major minerals with a mining list area exceeding 5.0 hectares 5.0 hectares that means 5 hectares of land and their extensions and modulations has to obtain site clearance and environmental clearance from the Ministry of Environment and Forest MOEF, Government of India, also for prospecting and exploration of major minerals in areas about 500 hectares have to get the site clearance from the Ministry of Environment and Forest. Hanya kau katkum ka anjung environmental clearance. Some hectares seneng mila yo eka clearance namta ka scientific coal mining. Some hectares seneng mila yo eka clearance. Ka authority kala ban I clearance pi some hectares seneng. That is why we challenge in the High Court. Namar ba ka anja klem ong yangi ba no you have to have 100 hectares of land to do coal mining. Ka anja klem ong ka anja ong 5 hectares lading pe ka environmental clearance. Some hectares seneng mila ban continue ka mining. Lani laga MMDR 1957 4 hectares above we can do scientific mining. So the law does not say that no you have to have 100 hectares to do mining. The laws allowed you within 100 hectares or so. That is our main purpose that for which we are challenging India before the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, and we are seeking for justice. Thank you. The case, the next hearing is on this coming weeks, maybe yes, next hearing, final hearing for 2 or 3 around this week. So we'll know whether the hereditors will stay or the hereditary will be removed. 12A, and Para 12B. According to 6 Para 12A, there is no such provisions which the Uttermost District Council or the state legislature can make rules regarding coal mining. So I don't know on which principle of law, beyond which provision of law the state government is framing the SOP. Because according to the law of 6 Schedule 244 and 275, paragraph 12A and B, there is no such provisions of law which says that the Uttermost District Council and the state legislature have the power to make coal mining policy. See, they don't have the authority. So I don't know under which provision of law which they are framing. So according to MMDR Act 1957 also, the state cannot make a law for coal mining. They can only frame a policy. They can frame a policy, but framing a policy is not a part of law. It can be taken as a suggestion. See, 100 hectares, you are saying that 100 hectares an area should be for 100 hectares for mining of coal. But saying should be, this is not a law. This can be taken as a suggestion. See, export can be considered as a suggestion, but export cannot be considered as a part of law. Law is law, code is code, suggestion is different, export is different. These all things cannot be considered as a part of law. So we do not accept SOP as a law. We can accept SOP as a suggestion. Yes, maybe in future we need 100 hectares for scientific coal mining, but that is a suggestion. That is not a part of law. But the state government is making it a law. You need to have 100 hectares of land, which we will never accept. And the forum will always stand stronger to protect the rights of the people, to protect the underground, beneath rights of the people. The forum will always stand stronger to protect the people. As per the MMDR Act 1957, as per the Environmental Act, which I've already said before, that the environment clearance, they allowed even 5 hectares of land also to do scientific coal mining. So the state government should go as per the law, as per the act. Let's do coal mining as per the law within 5 hectares of land, within 10 hectares of land, which the expert already allows us. So why the state government is not allowing us? So this is just already I've said, this is nothing but just like what the members of Honorable President of HYC said. Ngiapan le kum ka ain jong ka MMDR kat lai spa sang panyo. Ka scientific mining kala pandon open cast mining kawai, kala pandon underground mining kawai. Te kito ka don ki lembaga geologist ane ki engineer jong ka mining kila don ban ki expert ki CMBDI kine ki CMBDI kide ki Coal Mining Plan Authority kine kide ba ladang isna yeng mentah ngidon kam engineer, ngidon kam architect, ngidon kam contractor tenamta ban pentrai kam juga coal mining operations ngidon kam ka expert ka advisor na ki CMPDI te kine kide ki authority ki ba penle ya ki coal mining haporo koi ka state hapok kari India bai chungi deki lembaga CMPDI hai kaladon ka budget pi ki jinglot kiladon lembaga CMPDI lembaga expert kila bo ka jinglot lada ka suppose ka jaga jong bi ka don sipo hektar semua te kiladon ne ka jinglot kiladon ne ki expert ba ka machine ka ba pin monra kata klor lane ka jinglot kata klor sane san klor apa sipo klor ka jinglot te ki jingmi enturo kandon ni nomor claim kabar Dewïong la deputan upar la deputan Dewïong ka mining jumpi kan motro tang ka jaka dan kam wat Dewïong repitan kam le singa don jaka arpo hectares to jaka jungam don Dewïong tangam la kan trai main tang ka license ngam yo te lada don Dewïong ka jaka ka bespo hectares tagi export kila don lemagi authority ki department ban ai ya ki jinglot ki jingset kata dang ngila pentrai kam min sayo ya ki detail approximately ngimla kan
di bentah ni kam di Dewïong bakyo science happen nama
ya
ini on scientific mining mesti on scientific mining itu tak komiti belum Dewïong yang ngah pilih itu kebayati lempok naik itu baru
rat hole mining yes rat hole mining
jadi lah matai lah tak scientific mining
ka scientific mining ngalo ngapi kidon ki expert. I'm not a scientific ngala but I suggest I can give you suggestion ngala but I jumut lepi
di badan ni tak pas di suku
ngala but I jumut jumut ngala but I jumut scientific pi ki scientific abang i ngapi open cast mining but underground mining ki underground kilong ba pi snayo tunnel hapo sapo katliu Dewïong tawa 6 to 7 feet teato tunnel pila doni ki lights pila doni ki wall pillars tekila pila doni ki machinery banti utu Dewïong pila ai ki helmets ki safeguard ban yaki nang tray bakin deng cepo ki oxygen pila don kita kini scientific part of scientific see scientific basically means protect the environment yadai ka meriang yadai ki yadai ka lair But yada you nong Trai, but yada you Dewïong. But safety of mines also you have to protect the mines. Kata kadi scientific. I cannot give you more detail. That is what I know regarding scientific.
Ano ba ni pet construction relong dan dia?
Yes. Banyak Trai lang. Inilah kan modified number. Red hole mining is not illegal. It's illegal in the state of Meghalaya because we are damaging the environment. For that reason, red hole mining is illegal in the state of Meghalaya. Many states are continuing red hole mining. If you talk about Nagaland, we talk about Assam, we talk about outside the country. Even Australia, they are doing red hole mining. So red hole mining is not illegally. But you have to protect the environment. You have to protect the labors. Safety of environment is required. Safety of human is required. So in East Jantia you are talking, in West Kasi you are talking, in Garo Hills you are talking. So they are lack of environmental knowledge. So for that reasons, our red hole mining is not legal. It turns into illegally because we are not protecting the environment. So we have to love the environment. We have to protect. So the forum will not compromise regarding the environment. Whoever will do the scientific mining, they will have to protect the environment. Thank you.